friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Flynn from Garten of Banban as a smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started with our eye in the center. So on the top we're going to draw in a curved line that arches down and then up on the right hand side. Now to the left of this we're going to draw in a nice big arch line closing off the top of our eye, bringing that down on the right. In the center now we're going to draw in an oval. Moving down on a diagonal now, let's draw in our hand. So we're going to draw in a curved line that arches up towards our eye and then back in towards the bottom. And then from here for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then down. On the top, we're just going to curve this line over and out towards the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom, just extending that slightly further out towards the side of the page. Now let's draw in our mouth. So coming out for the corner, we're going to curve this line down on the right. And now moving over on the left-hand side, let's replicate that. For the top of the mouth, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards our hand. And then we're going to continue to extend this further up over on the right. Now moving underneath, let's draw in a nice big arch line, curving this line around and then in towards the bottom of the hand. And then we'll arch this up and over on the right hand side. For the tongue now in the center, we're going to curve this line up and then down on the left. And then moving over on the right, let's replicate that, curving that in towards our hand. Now let's close off the top of the head. So coming in towards the center, we're going to curve this line down and then over on the left. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this over and then down on the right hand side, ending that so it's at the same height. Now from here, from the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll continue to curve this in towards the top of our arm. Closing off the arm now on the right hand side, from this line on the bottom, we're going to curve this line, bending it at the elbow and bringing that in towards the top. Now from here, we're going to continue to extend this line, curving this line around and then in. From that point, we're going to curve this line down and then up in the center. From the middle now, we're going to curve this line around, back up on a diagonal. Again, we're going to extend this over, curving this line around and then up. And then from that point, one more time, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And now let's draw in our left arm. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line over. Stepping further in, we're going to arch this line around and then down, ending that at the same height. Now from here, from the corner for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then for the rest of the hand, we're just going to arch this line around and then in at the corner. Let's draw in our front legs first. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to replicate that, curving that in towards the middle, blending that line together, and then arching that out on the side. Now let's step further across, and we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then moving over on the left-hand side, we're going to replicate that, curving that over and out. Now for the foot, from the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side, curving this line around and then back in. From that corner again, for the bottom of the foot, we're going to arch that line over. And then on the inside, again, we're just going to curve this line over and out. Let's draw our legs behind now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then out. We'll do the same thing moving over on the left-hand side. Let's move further over on the right now. We're going to curve this line around and then down. And then again, doing that one more time over on the left. Now from the side for the foot, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. And then we'll replicate this over on the left-hand side as well. Now on the side, we're just going to curve this line over for the bottom of the foot. We'll do this on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw Flynn as a smiling critter. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.